the whole thing. Ayan mga paps.
$30,000 for only mattress.
For the mattress only is $30,000.
Control
So,
here.
you can control for the
If you want it
tilt?
warm or
Warm.
hot.
Oh, it's like there's a heater.
Yes.
Oh, that's why it's too expensive. There's a heater. $30,000. Just. This is Alpha, and I'm the Papa. Welcome to our channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening mga paps. So eto, andito na naman si Papa, nagsasabing magandang buhay mga paps. So this time at bibisitahin ko yung daughter ko sa kanyang trabaho. Balita ko napakaganda ng mga ano rito, kanilang mga furniture. At hulaan nyo mga paps kung magkano. At baka mamamangha tayo mga paps. So ito yung Southgate Mall mga paps, mga Edmontonians. Pasok tayo sa loob mga paps. So ayan mga paps, at pasok na tayo sa Restoration Hardware. So we're gonna see what is in there. So yan mga paps. Wow, nice. And there's a fountain. And so can you tell something about your store? What is in here?
Hi guys, welcome to Restoration Hardware. As you can see, we sell furniture and decor, and we also offer design services. So whatever you need, everything that you see is customizable, whether you want it to be bigger or smaller. And all the fabrics we can make into leather or velvet.
Okay, so by the way, how much those set? Those set?
This is a sectional sofa. So it would be the left side would be 9,800.
9,000 only that
on
one?
that side. And then when you come around this way, it's around also 9,890.
So 9,000, a total of 8,000? 19,000 on the total of those couch only mga paps. Those couch. And this is small couch, this one.
3K.
Oh, this one is a $3,000 mga paps, this couch. So maybe you want that one to as my gift?
Yes.
Ayan mga paps. We'll see na lang mga paps sa video po. Next video kung totoong mabibili namin to. Ayan.
And this table is 4,700.
Ayan. And that table is $4,000 mga paps.
But
So,
it's because it's a reclaimed oak. Meaning the oak with the wood
Oh,
is
oak.
oak.
yeah,
So
oh.
it comes from England. And then it's from old churches and barns.
Oh, yan mga
Turn it
paps.
into
This
a
is
table.
from England. That's why expensive, huh? From England. It's like oak.
Side table.
Side table. Center table.
No, that one.
This one?
520.
Oh, this is a 520 mga paps.
Alagaan to rust.
Ayan.
No, it's brass.
How about that chandelier? How much that one?
8,200.
Oh, yan mga paps. Oh, it's a $8,000. $8,000, huh? 8,000?
Yeah.
Ayan mga paps, that chandelier is $8,000. So just compute it to times 40 mga paps.
Yeah.
Laki na puno ng saging.
This one, Papa, is 20,000.
Wow, mga paps.
It's leather. Like from a
Leather?
real calf.
Oh, $20,000 for the couch. Mga paps. Look.
Sa likod, meron kami
So,
sa pang leather.
ito,
Maliliit na siya ang leather sword. Kasi
Ito-
not a lot is here.
it's included
No,
this too?
No, just the sofa. This is the sofa.
Oh, how,
Pwede mo sa'yo.
okay, this is different price. So, the sofa
It's a big book, Mama. You know what
sa $20,000.
It's a picture and design.
So yan mga paps, about the mattresses.
30,000.
For the whole thing, yan mga paps.
$30,000 for only mattress.
For the mattress only is $30,000.
Control
So,
it here.
you can control for
If
the
you want it
tilt?
like warm or
Warm.
hot.
Oh, it's like there's a heater.
Yes, in your mouth.
Oh, that's why it's too expensive. There's a heater. $30,000 mga paps. Just the bed only. Look mga paps, this shovel chairs is $5,000. So yan mga paps, at lalabas na kami ng store. So yan mga paps, nakita nyo naman how much the price of the furniture here. So ayan, oh. Ayan. The sofa bed is just $20,000 mga paps. So ayan, lalabas na kami. A few moments later. So yan mga paps, andito kami with Mrs. Paps at balak niya mag-upgrade niyang furniture like sofa bed or couch. But if you can see, we went first to Restoration Hardware. But it's very pricey. We can't afford the price. Napakamahal mga paps. So ngayon, dito kami sa isang furniture store at tingnan natin yung mga presyo, kung affordable ba. At kung meron tayong magustuhan. So yan mga paps, ang price is like 1,700 or 1,700. So this sofa bed is converted to a bed. So this is fit for the newly couple if you want to move to a small bedroom, one bedroom apartment or a studio type. So this is good. The size is it's good and the price is very affordable mga paps. But you know, as I said, the expensive one that we went before, that's why it's pricey is napakaganda. Napakagandang like yung leather compare here. I'm not saying this is not good, but we can't afford the one that we went before. So yan mga paps, oh, this is converted to bed. So yan, this is the very expensive one mga paps. So the price is $3,000. It's the only leather in this store. But we don't like the color mga paps. We need to match the color of our house, the color of our floor. That's why we need to find out. And if you want to buy something, of course you want that before you buy it is you like it, right? So yan mga paps, at kami ngayon nagutom. So pumunta muna kami dito sa Jollibee, bida ang saya with Mrs. Paps. At yan yan mga paps, at tayo papasok na. Wala naman tayong nabiling o nagustuhan furniture, so kain muna tayo. So ayan, pasok tayo mga paps. Ito, at order na nga tayo ng ating pagkain. Shout out Kabayan. So yan mga paps, at andito na yung ating pagkain. Ang ating in-order ang peach mango pie, ang palabok with chicken, and of course ang ating number 1 pagkain, syempre ang rice with 2-piece chicken. At yan lang mga paps, at thank you very much for watching and I love you all.